Alright, ignore the state of the house. It is a little messy because I have been preparing for so many conventions at once, but we are pretty much all the way packed up for Dragoncon. This is a whole bunch of different plushies that I've handmade and everything. Then over here we have the rest. There's a lot of stuff here. I have the other 4 IKEA bags here. I had bought some more IKEA bags, but they were supposed to arrive Monday because I bought them like 2 weeks ago. They didn't ship until the day they said that they were supposed to arrive, and that's been annoying. I tried to cancel the order, but they're like, it's already been sent, and then of course the next day is when it updates to be sent, so whatever. I know IKEA's been having some troubles during the pandemic, so it's fine. Okay, we have the 4 IKEA bags. These are keychains, and 1 bag of sharks. So we got 1 bag of pink, 1 bag of green, 1 bag of keychain sharks, 1 bag of normal sharks. These 4 boxes right here are all sharks. That's a pin that I got from my helper at Disneyland. Those are cubes right there. I also have this suitcase here that has all my supplies, more cubes. I have some clothes and things in here that I'm gonna have him take, 2 wagons, and then that has all my grab bag bags in it and all those supplies. So that is everything like that. So I'm really happy that all that is taken care of. He is coming to pick up all the stuff, and because there's a hurricane and I have some driving in the rain PTSD, I'm going to be flying instead. A one-way ticket was super cheap, and then there's a train from the airport to like just down the street from where I need to be. So he's gonna drive down on Thursday, I'm gonna fly down on Thursday, and it's all gonna be good. All the rain should be passing by through Wednesday for Hurricane Ida, but it just helped my anxiety to fly instead of drive. We are all set and ready to go. I hope you enjoyed this little mini con prep vlog, and hopefully Dragoncon will go good. I'll be on my way 5 a.m. Thursday. Okay, this is a gimbal test because I got a gimbal for vlogging these cons so I can be super professional. Also, it was on sale. So we're just gonna test it real quick. I am still learning how it works. So, like, I literally just got it and unboxed it. I'm just giving it a quick test-a-roo. Here's this weird lake beside my house. Apartment. And we're just gonna see if this really works. Hey, look, a squirrel. Bye. Yeah, this is the gross reservoir part that, like, no one ever sees because you're supposed to be on the other side. Yeah. Oh, and I can do a pan. I can do a zoom out. Yeah. Here is hoping. Okay. I gotta learn how it do. So like a inverted axis with the joystick. There we go. So far, so good. Hopefully this will go good for Dragoncon. Take care, guys.